Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by freeing resources because Excel often freezes when memory or CPU is exhausted. Close browsers, design tools, and large files, then open Task Manager and end any hung Excel. EXE processes. Once done, launch Excel in safe mode by holding Control while opening it. This disables add-ins so you can tell if one is the culprit. Make sure to save work elsewhere before killing processes. This prevents data loss and isolates the problem quickly, so you can now perform deeper repairs because glitches often come from corrupted installation files or workbooks. First, run quick repair, and if that fails, run online repair to replace damaged components. Next, update Excel to the latest build, patches fix known crashes. Then test your workbook. Copy sheets into a new file to see if a particular worksheet corrupts Excel. If the new file works, you can isolate and rebuild the corrupted parts. Make sure to back up originals before making changes. Finish by cleaning remaining configuration issues, because lingering add-ins or profile corruption can keep Excel unresponsive. Remove COM add-ins and reset Excel options to defaults. Export any customizations first if you need them. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall Office to ensure a clean program state. Finally, test the file and Excel on another computer or under a new Windows user. This reveals whether the issue is machine-specific. If it still fails, that points to file-level corruption or hardware problems. Try recovery tools or hardware diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.